Proceed to question 6. Given the signal xn, xn n minus 6, un minus un minus 6. So you need to solve the signal inside the bracket first, the first bracket, square bracket first. And then you can deal with the amplitude outside the uh, function signal. Okay. And minus 6 is the amplitude because we don't have any function in front of it like u n minus 6 or r n minus 6. Okay, we don't have this function. We only have n minus 6. So this is the amplitude. Okay. So first and foremost, you need to sketch un. Question 6. un minus un minus 6. Okay. So you need to draw un and un minus 6. Okay. Wait, I will write the question xn n minus 6 un minus un minus 6. Okay. Siapa yang tak dapat submit dekat link tu, I will not accept, okay? No need to WhatsApp me. Okay. So, first you need to solve this problem. Okay. Draw un and then minus un minus 6. So, the first one, un signal. Un signal. This is n. Okay. This is 0. Un signal. The amplitude is 1. Okay. The amplitude is 1. Okay. And then we have n minus 6. Minus, you need to do subtraction here. Minus un minus 6, which is n minus 6. You need to shift the signal to the right by 6 unit. Okay. Okay. Copy. Paste. Okay. 6 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is here. The amplitude is just the same, only the x axis different. This will be n minus, sorry, n minus 6. Okay. So you have two signals here. Signals un and un minus 6. You need to subtract the signal minus. Okay. Minus. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Amat tak muat. Okay. So you will get Sorry, this is unit step. Unit step signal, not impulse signal. So your signal will be like this. Okay. Your signal will be like this. Okay. Until positive infinity. This one will be 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Until positive infinity. Okay. Not only until 4. It is until positive infinity. This is until negative infinity. And then this signal. Okay. So the amplitude is 1. Okay. All the amplitude is 1. And until positive infinity. Okay. Mhm. So what will happen to the signal here? You need to minus the signal. U n minus U n minus 6. N minus 6. So this is n. Okay. So this one, you have amplitude, right? Okay. The first signal, you have amplitude minus 0. This is 0. The amplitude start at 1, at number 6. Okay. So between this one, it is 0. So the first signal minus 0, you will get this signal again. Okay. You will get the signal again. So I will draw it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5. Remember 5. Okay. Until number 5. Number 6, you have another signal here. Okay. So the 0 signal only until 5. So 1 minus 0, 1 amplitude of 1 minus 0, meaning you will get amplitude of 1 again. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then here you have amplitude. Okay. Amplitude of 1. So this one, okay, the amplitude is until infinity. Okay. This is not 0. Okay. Until infinity. Okay. Until $1,000. Dollar is money, right? Okay. Until 1,000 million. Okay. Infinity. Okay. So this signal minus this, you will get 0 because the amplitude of this signal is 1. 1 minus 1 become
0.
0. So this is 0. 0. Okay. Even I draw it until number 4, okay, you must know that it is actually until positive infinity. The amplitude continue until positive infinity, until infinite number. Okay. And then next, okay, you have n minus 6. N minus 6 meaning that n, what is n? N is number of this between 1 Sorry, I forgot to draw another line here. You have 6 lines. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, the signal is from 0 to 5. So you need to, okay, n is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the question asks you to find the amplitude of n minus 6. Okay, what if you n minus 6 include substitute one by one? What happen if n equal to 0 here? 0 minus 6, you will get negative 6. So the amplitude is negative 6 times 1. So you will get negative 6. What if you substitute 1 inside this? Okay, 1 minus 6, you will get negative 5. So negative 5 is the amplitude times 1. Okay, you will get negative 5. So the signal actually, the signal, you will get the signal like this. Okay, this is the last one, okay? And then we dismiss. This is n, and this is the signal of x n minus 6. Un minus un minus 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because our signal is only until 5. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. So n here, n is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So substitute one by one. If at 0, you substitute here, you will get the amplitude is negative 6. So the amplitude will, okay. So the amplitude is at negative 6. If you substitute 1 in the amplitude here, so 1 minus 6, you will get negative 5. Negative 5 at 1. Okay. And then substitute 2 n minus 6, 2 minus 6, meaning that you will get negative 4. So negative 4 at 2, okay? And then substitute 3, you will get negative 3. Substitute 4, you will get negative 2. And then you substitute 5, you will get negative 1. So this is the answer for this xn. Okay? Okay. I think it's 12:31. Okay. So I will end the class, this class now. Okay, actually not finished yet. This is only the xn. And then next class we will continue with the question how to solve xn minus 2, x3n minus 3, and x3 minus n. This one actually you can do it by yourself because you already have the signal of xn here, which is I already draw it for you. So from xn, you can find xn minus 2, 3n minus 3, and 3 minus n. Okay, do it by yourself, okay? Okay, see you next class on Thursday. Okay. Okay, you can dismiss. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
madam.
you, madam.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, Puan. Terima kasih, Puan.
Thank you, Puan.
Okay, okay.
Fira.